So if we could pass a law, what would you like us to do?
I think more education in school about, like, say, the government and stuff like that.
So that's really good. Education is obviously one.
I'd like to see more incentives for students to go to higher education there, because I feel like there's been such a negative impact recently for students to go to university. It'd be nice for some more positive.
So we need to look at that. Right. What would you like to?
I feel there's a lot of laws being passed on farming and things like that. When the laws, they may be very beneficial to the general public, but they have a big effect on farmers too.
Right, thank you very much. Oh,
but
that's all right. You're going to take me on. Do you see the luxury I have? It's just a cardboard cup of coffee. Well, I do like your bee. That's very nice. Thank you very much. I'll give you that back because I'm going to drop it on the floor otherwise, but I'll have your bee. Okay, thanks, girls. Bye. Hi, I'm Rosie Buckle. I'm very pleased to meet you. Very pleased to meet you.
I'm Alan from Citizens Dice Bureau.
How are you today?
Good to see you. Are you
Yeah,
well?
yes, diolch, yes.
Go ahead.
Skype is something I quite like to do because my grandchildren live in High Wycombe. I'm Skyped. Have you got us full screen? We got you full screen here. I will be using my term of office as Presiding Officer to ensure that we communicate the work of the Assembly to an even wider audience than before. I also want to hear what the different priorities are within our myriad of communities across Wales. I intend to visit all areas of Wales, meet individuals, organisations and authorities, and to feed back their views to the Assembly so that would inform policy and legislation.